Hey, I'm Chris from Tire Supply Network, and today we have 3 different options for emergency tire repair kits. We have a golf cart, UTV, passenger tire, truck tire, trailer tire, whatever it may be. We have the first aid kits for those tires. Now let's see what makes these different. The biggest difference between these 2 kits are the string plug lengths. This kit comes with an 8-inch plug, and this kit comes with a 4-inch plug. The 12358 comes with chrome T-handled tools, whereas 12355 comes with galvanized handles. Both kits come with a resealable jar of lube, as well as a retractable razor to trim away excess plug material. Let's take a look at the 12353 kit. This kit comes with ergonomic handles, a total of 50 4-inch long string plugs, a resealable jar of lube just like the previous kits, as well as a retractable razor blade, and a handy pocket screwdriver that doubles as a valve core tool. I personally plugged this tire in the middle of the desert about 4 years ago. Got me home, and it's still holding air today. Purchase your emergency tire repair kit from TireSupplyNetwork.com today. Thank you for watching.